Hi folks, welcome to Locksmith's Toolbox product demonstration. Today we're having a look at the Broken Key Extractor Kit as is available from locksmithstoolbox.com. Comes with a long nose plier set, .0016 thin key extractor, great for the sidewinder, very thin flexible steel. Look here, serrated pincers, great for getting two-sided keys, double-sided cut keys out, keyways. If you can just get into there, I think we can see the also you have the there is a broken key extractor, very thin, great quality. Also comes one, open it up here, comes with the needle broken key extractor pack, so you can screw that into a keyway. I'll show you that here now. These are a great little tool themselves. For under $60, great tool. Check it out, this whole kit. Locksmithstoolbox.com.